Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Syam Izzuddin bin Muhammad Sufyan.
Hello, my name is Kamar Izham bin Rosli.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Ahmad Zaidi.
Hello, my name is Govina, son of Ponusami.
Let's go!
Digital and analog multimeter are instruments that are used to measure electrical quantities such as voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and signal power. Basic functionality includes measurement of potential in volts, resistance in ohms, and current in ampere. There are two types of multimeter, digital multimeter and analog multimeter. Digital multimeter are measuring instruments that are measure quantities such as voltage, current, and resistance. Measured values are shown on digital display, allowing them to be read easily and directly, even by a first-time user. An analog multimeter is a simple device used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. In the analog multimeter, there is a pointer that moves with the help of magnetic field created by the change in electric current. Advantage of digital multimeter is they are having high input impedance, so there is no loading effect. They are having higher accuracy. They are available in smaller size. The disadvantage of digital multimeter is the LCD display depends on a battery or external power source. When the battery is low, the display will be dim, making it difficult to read. Second, it's more expensive than the analog type. There is a voltage L emission. If it's increased beyond the limit, the meter will be damaged. The advantage of analog multimeter is it has the ability to display slow change easily. The sensitivity of an analog multimeter is very less. It has analog display, so the needle that moves from the initial to the actual reading. The disadvantage of analog multimeter is the analog multimeter fine in bulky size. It has low input resistance, and this type of meter does not provide high accuracy in measurement over the digital meter.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Kamar Izham bin Rosli from class Beey S1/2. Today I want to show how to measure about component resistance circuit, capacitance circuit, and inductance circuit. And we also to prove our measured with component multimeter and multi-tester. And the software is multi-sip and calculation. Let's go.
So the first one, we want to measure ohm by using multimeter. So we use resistance box and using 10 kilo ohm. And this is a result.
Next, we want to measure a capacitance. So we set to 50 nanofarad and using multimeter to get the result. So this is the result.
And the lastly is I want to measure the inductance circuit with multi-tester. Firstly, I would to connect with multi-tester and inductance circuit like this, and I set the multi-tester is open in the inductance, and I set is 400. And this is the result. Okay, for the next, we want going how to measure about the voltage and current from this circuit. Let's go.
First circuit, we want to measure voltage. And this is a result. And after that, we want to measure current across the resistor, and we got this result.
Next, we want to measure a voltage across the capacitors. So we use a multimeter, and this is the result. And there is no current across the capacitance, so the result is 0.
And this part, I want to measure about the voltage in the inductors, and this is the result. Okay, the next, we connect the multimeter to the circuit to measure a current across the inductance, and this is the result.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahmi Izzuddin. I want to share the measure of voltage and current across three types of circuit, which is the first one is resistor, second one is capacitor circuit, and the last one is inductance circuit. So we go to the first circuit, which is this is a resistor circuit. So after we put the resistor 10 kilo ohm and the voltage source is a 5 volt. After we measured using multimeter, we got 5 volt. And after that, we measured a current across the resistor. And after we measured, we got 500 microampere. So when we move the second one, this is a capacitor. This is a capacitor circuit. So we use 50 nanofarad and the same voltage source, and we got a 5 volt. And then we calculate a current across the circuit, and we got 0 ampere. And the last one, we move to inductance circuit. Which is we use 400 millihenry, and we got 5 volt. And then we measured the current across the inductor. And the current across the inductance is 500 kilo ampere.
Okay, so in conclusion, we get is we know how to measure about the circuit and voltage from the resistance circuit, capacitance circuit, and inductance circuit. Next, we know how to use the all component with lab and the multi-sim software to see about the different value from the true value and the measured value. And then lastly, we know how to compare about the multimeter function, analog and digital, to measure in the circuit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are.